I'm a stupid tourist and I'm new in town and I'm finding it quite hard to get around.
Okay, what in the actual fuck is going on here? This is March in Istanbul. I have to document this, I have to record this because this is not a normal thing to be going on in Istanbul in March. So we may as well just walk around and look at this insanity. Their snow's pretty good. It's soft. It's nice. So hopefully we're not going to damage this camera too much. I mean, it is a GoPro, so it's meant to be in the water. Whew. Yeah, let's go right towards the Bosphorus here where it's the worst weather. Get her! Die! Holy shit, man. Yeah, this is unreal insanity. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of Canada in the winter because Canadian winters are brutal. So I had to come somewhere like Istanbul where you can escape the weather. You can escape, you want to go somewhere where it's not as snowy and harsh as Canadian winters. So that's why I chose Istanbul, especially in March. It's really beautiful this time of year here. Nothing beats it. It's fantastic. Good Lord. Yeah, it's pretty fun actually. That's some craziness. Oh, I almost fell. That was good too. Oh, wow. I'd be careful of all the cars around here because nobody has snow tires on for sure. Guaranteed nobody has them on. Do they even sell snow tires here? Insanity. Whew. Oh, I'm definitely gonna wipe out. Let me tell you this about Vans half cap. Look how much snow is here. Just nuts. Whew. Lots of snow, lots of slush out there. Definitely people don't have snow tires on their cars, so we gotta be careful of that. Jeez, most people don't have snow tires on their feet too. They're crashing into me, that guy. Come on now. Whew. Yeah, it just gets better and better, doesn't it? Well, we're heading for warmer shores. We're heading for, there we go, it's a bit of a break. We're heading for warmer areas. We're off to Izmir in a couple days here, so that's gonna be good. There's no snow over there, so that'll be nice. I'm sure it's still gonna be a bit cold. I talked to the guy at my hotel. He's an old man, and I asked him, I said, when is the last time it snowed in Istanbul? In March, and his answer was 1987. So half of you guys probably weren't even born in 1987. Look at this, sliding around in this tiles is death. I'm on the Kadıköy side, the Asian side here in Kadıköy. Let's just wander around, just catch all this on film. There's no real agenda today. It was just snowstorm in Istanbul. Oh, it's a little better over here, right on the water's edge there. It was just hitting you like a blast to the face. Whew. Insanity. So, again, Merry Christmas from Istanbul. This is a fun area over here when it's not looking like the Arctic. There's all sorts of stuff to do around here. There's all the bars. It's a fun area. It's cheaper over here too, not by too much. I mean, Turkey as is cheap anyways, but it's even cheaper here. So you're best to stay over here. This guy's got the right idea. Stay warm here. He's got his chicken cooking. He's gonna look away. I don't blame him. I wasn't trying to jam the camera in his face. So we'll see if the GoPro gets ruined or not. Walking by my boy Migros here. It's a great place. We could grab a wet burger. I could get a regular burger and then it would be wet. Wet enough. But you know what? I got to give it to the locals. They're out here in full force, still giving her. They're not gonna let a little bit of snow stop them, you know? It's crazy. Insanity. Crazy, right? So crazy. This is not normal in March. Yeah, you are from here?
Yeah, I'm from here.
When is the last time it snowed? In March.
Oh, it's not something happens often. It's rare, as you say. Maybe 10 years ago.
Maybe 10 years, yeah.
Yes.
So I'm lucky to be here on vacation for this.
You say this is luck. Yeah.
All right.
Have fun.
Yeah, thank you. Oh.
Nerede bu ya?
Burada var ya.
Hadi görüşürüz.
I don't think he's going anywhere with them snow tires. That's the McDonald's where the manager was a jerk to me in one of my other videos. Yes, pretty cool. Sorry about the blowing, that's what she said. I gotta wipe the snow off.
Hey, dude, what are you doing in the snow? Oh, yeah.
Craziness, insanity. I don't really think there's much more this way. The action's kind of dying. Let's spin back around. Man, my feet are getting wet, but it was worth it. This is the sacrifice I make for you guys, is that I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get my Vans wet for you guys. That's just the type of person I am. Why not? Yeah, that little dude's definitely loving it. I did not even mean to say he's loving it when McDonald's is right there. Nice Turkish coffee there. This guy's risking it. Okay, this guy's playing in the snow. Oh, he wants to get in there. Yeah, I bet he wants to go warm up. Hey, buddy. I hope all my kitties and the dogs are okay. I hope they're all tucked away somewhere safe and sound. They must be. Wow. Yeah, that was lightning. Did that just get caught on video? Well, there's the thunder, so it must have. I guess there's gonna be water all over the lens on this one. Who knows if this is even watchable, but I still say we should put it up, because why not? Oh, there's all the police officers eating over there. They don't want to be out in this either. Whew. Damn. Yeah, see, it's much worse over here. It's blasting me right in the eyes. That's what she said. Whew. Bloody insanity. Very light powder. This would be excellent up on a mountain. This would be ideal conditions for snowboarding. It's not like a wet, heavy snow. It looks to be pretty light, pretty powdery. Now the real question is, are we gonna damage our camera for doing this? I don't know. At the very least, I've got this footage usable, hopefully. Oh man. Definitely people are gonna be, restaurants are gonna be popular today because people can get in there and dry off, stay out of the snow. So, hey, good for the businesses, right? This is actually the bus station right here. Not the bus station, but this is where I take the bus from. So if you go online to Pamukkale, book the bus ticket online, and then come down to the ticket office, they'll print up the ticket. There's actually a shuttle bus, Bert, there's actually a shuttle bus from here that will take you up to the station, which is about 10 minutes away. So you don't have to actually pay for a cab to the bus station. It worked out well. But I think I've had enough of this. Just a quick wander around. Definitely some snow just went in my shoe. Lots of little awesome beer stores all out and about here. And this guy's in his shorts though. What the hell? Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Madness, utter madness. Oh, this guy's got a little limp. You okay, buddy? You gonna find yourself your home? Where's your home? Where's your home, pal? Are you gonna be okay? Yeah, hopefully you'll be okay, buddy. You got somewhere warm to go tonight? Oh, poor guy. Yeah, there's gotta be a home. You go hide in like an alcove over here or something. Yeah, there you go. He's listening to me. Oh. Maybe it's that guy's dog. He was just yelling at him. Because I noticed that dog did not have a tag in his ear. Most of the street dogs, well, all of the street dogs will have the tag in their ear. So that guy's owned by somebody, so that's good. So basically I just groped that guy's dog. This place is bomb ass for bread, if you want to loaf around. Yeah, total chaos. And this is where I was for the day, or for a couple days here at the Kadıköy Hotel. It's cheap enough. I mean, there's probably was better out there, better values, but I like to be in a certain spot in a certain neighborhood. And yeah, all this met all the requirements I needed. Oh, yeah, this guy's smart. There you go. That's what you gotta do, buddy. Are you peeing? Are you peeing or are you trying to get comfy? I know, I don't know what to tell you. Can we move that for you? Yeah, there you go, get up there. Dude, I'm just trying to help you out. You ain't gotta give me any dirty looks. That's good. Just trying to help. Awesome. That's crazy. Anywho, that's enough about that. Yeah, that's easily a couple inches. Also, as she said, this Turkish bathhouse is okay. They'll go in there and they'll scrub you up, exfoliate you. Women's entrance, men's entrance. I went in there just to inquire about the price and managed to see 3 penises. So that's not normally included in the brochure, but I guess, you know, hey, if you got it, flaunt it, I guess. Once again, the hell with that. We're going inside. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We got history in the making here. Bye-bye.
Wait for me. I've got a ticket to your town.